Many people blame the VPN for getting stuck at low views on TikTok. In reality, they use the VPN the wrong way. I've put 5 solutions in this video for creators who feel like they are stuck at 0 to 100 or 800 views. I've used many of these solutions for my previous account. Don't worry, it's not gonna be your content sucks type of advice. Solution number 1 is if your account is brand new or relatively new. It means that it needs some kind of warm-up. Well, what do you mean by warm-up? Also note that these solutions will most likely fix your problem, but since I cannot see your account, I have to give you all the possible solutions because I cannot pinpoint the problem exactly. Back to the warm-up routine. If your account is relatively new and you start uploading videos out of the get-go, TikTok is a bit more strict and it wants to avoid bots. So sometimes they may shadow ban accounts because they are afraid, which is normal. Right? So you have to prove TikTok that you are not a bot. So just scroll a bit on the For You page, like videos, comment on them, save them, click the copy link, do all this kind of stuff a normal user would do. Do that for a few hours in total and see how the video performs. Solution number 2. Try recording and editing through the TikTok app. This is a solution I've used and I've mentioned in my previous videos, and I was stuck for a long time on like 1,000 or 2,000 views, but for every video, and sometimes they were a bit lower. So what I did is test it out, making a video through the TikTok app, and I had the video that got almost 1 million views. And if you don't want to record and edit through the app, you can record from another device or from the camera app or using your camera, and then just edit the clips and put them together, you know, do the basic editing on the TikTok app. The next solution, number 3, if you do use a VPN, you have to remove your SIM card. I've seen many videos, and I think I started this trend on YouTube here with the TikTok videos and the VPN. I was the only one who analyzed this issue. So what I know is that TikTok can detect your location through your SIM card. So when you use a VPN plus a SIM card from different locations, then TikTok gets confused and thinks that you are kind of bot. So probably it shadow bans that account. So you have to remove your SIM card and keep using the VPN. Just warm up the TikTok app with the VPN as well. Or if you do remove and insert your SIM again, then make sure you have completely closed or forced stopped TikTok if you have an Android. What I do personally is log out of my account and log in when I remove my SIM card again, and never open TikTok in general when you have your SIM card inserted. All this might sound stupid, but are things that affect how TikTok works. Solution number 4, use one single device. If you have your TikTok account connected to multiple devices, like 2 phones or on your phone and your PC, it will probably cause you some issues. I had an account connected to 3 phones, and when I connected it to the 3rd phone and I uploaded a video, it performed very poorly. It barely reached 200 views, when other videos could reach multiple thousands of views. Then I logged out from every single device except the first one where I created that account and used that account only, and immediately when I uploaded the video, it got about 3,000 to 5,000 views if I'm not mistaken. And never connect your account to your PC. Every time we use TikTok on PC, it just completely shadow bans the account for some reason. It doesn't matter if it's a PC or a laptop. Solution 4.5. Use a different device. If you have been getting low or 0 views for a long time, maybe your device has been shadow banned. I don't know if that makes sense. But sometimes TikTok can shadow ban actually devices. Switching to a new device, logging out from that previous one and just using one new device can solve things. I don't know exactly how this works, but sometimes they flag devices. And if that doesn't work, try creating a new account from a different device. Solution number 5. Experiment with posting frequency and spacing. Some accounts work well when you upload 1 video per day, and some accounts perform even better when you upload 3-4 videos per day. So if you don't know exactly where your sweet spot is, start by uploading 1 per day, and every 2 days increase the number of posts by 1, and keep going until you reach the maximum amount of videos you can upload in 1 day. And at the same time experiment with the spacing. One day upload 1 in the morning and 1 in the night, and the other day upload 1 with a gap of 2 hours or 1 hour, and see how the videos perform. And after you've completed the whole cycle, you can cycle through 1 more time or just see what worked best and keep doing that. So generally speaking, if you have that problem and you just keep going until something is magically fixed, it's a little bit insane. And try changing up your content a bit. This is like solution 5.5. I once jumped from one niche or one topic to another completely different topic, and my account got revived a bit. I went from horror stories to true crime, which is close but not the same thing. Try things out. Let me know what you think about this format. Like I said, they feel more honest. I want to build this connection we have together together. I'm gonna try even to reply to more comments, because sometimes I procrastinate on that. My bad, I know. But yeah, I want to build a more genuine connection with you. Thank you for watching. You can watch this one next. Have a good one.